Are there any safeguards that must be in place per my policy? For example, fire extinguisher, deadbolt handrails, etc.
So that's a great question. And people feel like here's a great example. Okay. We love examples in insurance. Let's say that you bought our insurance policy and you had a fire extinguisher in your kitchen. And you said, yep, I've got it. And a month later, a guest steals the fire extinguisher. They say, you know what? I like this for my house. The next guest comes in to stay at your property and they have a fish fry that goes awry and they start a kitchen fire. The fire department comes, they put out the kitchen fire. It's a $50,000 claim to replace your kitchen. We find out that the fire extinguisher was not in the kitchen at the time of the loss. Could we deny your insurance claim to say, you told us that there was a fire extinguisher in the kitchen, we're not paying the claim? The answer is no, okay? Fundamentally, fire is a covered insurance loss. We put these underwriting items on there to give us a determination of who is the individual that we're selling this insurance to. Believe it or not, that's one of the biggest things and the reason that we still have a program 6 years later. We want to do business with honest, decent, reasonable people. And if somebody says, I'm not willing to put a fire extinguisher in my kitchen, then you don't get to buy our insurance. And believe it or not, some people do that. And then we just move on with life. But could we actually deny a claim because you didn't have the fire extinguisher in the kitchen? The answer is no. Now, with that said, if you lie or you are misleading or misrepresent something during the binding process of our policy and say, yes, Darren, we did put in a new railing, but you actually didn't, the answer is, technically speaking, we could deny the claim based on the fact that you misrepresented a material fact of the underwriting process. Would we deny that claim? We never have in 6 years. It's kind of a chicken bleep thing to do. I mean, in all seriousness, but could we legally? Yes.